In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the wait time for recurring timers. What is a recurring timer? A recurring timer is a snippet of code that you can create and insert into your funnels or emails if you run a recurring promotion. This could be a webinar. Let's say you run a weekly webinar, or let's say you are a physical store and you're selling vegetables from Monday to Friday and you're closed during the weekend. So you want to sell all the vegetables that are still left on a Friday. So every single Friday, you basically have a sale going on. And this timer allows you to enter a wait time from then 7 days, because we want to run this every week, every Friday, without needing to recreate the timer every single time. Let's go. So first we want to navigate to marketing on the left and then click on countdown timers at the top. Click create new. Then you'll have to select a template. Let's take this one. Let's click continue with this template. At the top, you can rename it. Let's say weekly vegetable Friday sales. And then on the left-hand side, let's select recurring, because remember, we want to do this every single Friday. We are selling our leftover vegetables, but we don't want to recreate this timer every single Friday, right? On the top right corner, you can see you can copy the link or copy the code and then insert that code into your emails and or funnels. Now let's configure the timer. On the left-hand side, you can insert a start date. So click on the icon. Let's select Friday the 8th. Let's hit confirm. Loop events means how often does this event repeat? Let's say every week for an entire year. Let's put 52. Now next up is the countdown duration. So how long are you going to be selling those vegetables on a Friday afternoon, let's say, right? So therefore we just put 0 days, and let's say like you start at 3 p.m. until 7 p.m. So let's say 4 hours, right? Next up is the countdown timer waits for. So this means 7 days, because next Friday we would like to do it again, basically, right? Next up is the hide timer on site in wait state. You can check mark this or you can leave it, really up to you. What does it mean? If you hover over this little information icon, it tells you if this is disabled. So if it is unchecked, the timer will be in 0 state during the wait time on sites, on websites and funnels. Now, if this is active, if you put this code into a website or funnel, the site won't auto direct to the expired page if the wait state follows active. Meaning down here, you can place a link. Active timer leads to this particular link, or expired timer leads to this particular link. Meaning if the timer expires, you can forward them to a link saying, oops, we're sorry you missed this, but be sure to check back in 7 days or something like that. So you can train your audience for this recurring sale happening. In the active timer leads box, you can place a page where the user will land on after they clicked on the actual timer. This can be your shop where you display the vegetables that need to be sold, basically for half price or whatever, right? Then right here, you have a summary of everything. The start time, which starts at 1 p.m., August 8th. The duration is 4 hours, because after that we close the shop. The wait time until the next timer starts again is 7 days. The next cycle starts therefore on the 15th, because it's 7 days. And this cycle repeats for 52 times in total, because we just put 52 weeks. Remember up here, loop events. If you only want to do it like, let's say you test a new campaign, you want to test it for a month, you just put 4 weeks. However many times you want to reset it. If it's not weeks, if you do it daily, for example, you put when the countdown timer waits for you, just put 1, because you want to reset this daily, right? So see here, that changed from 8th to 9th of August. So depending on what you want to do here. Then of course you want to select your time zone, wherever you're based. So everything is set up correctly, and then hit save top right corner. Just to clarify one more time about this hide timer on site in wait stage. So the timer will be hidden during the 6 days after the 4 hours have finished. There will not be a timer showing up saying, hey, countdown 4 hours. This is for funnels and websites. If the user refreshes the page whilst in the wait stage, they will be forwarded to the expiry page that you've put down here, the link that you put down here. Now you may be wondering if the contacts will see different times in cached emails. And the answer is the email timers will refresh in real-time data when they open the email, meaning the cached images are going to be replaced from the server side. Also, the wait period is only available in the recurring timers, not in the non-recurring timers. You can run unlimited cycles until you delete or archive the particular recurring timer you have just set up. If you are going to edit the wait time later after you've set up the original timer, this will not affect the current timer, but it will then be adjusted in the next cycles to come. And if you want to learn how to run profitable launches where you could use a timer such as this, make sure to click the links up and below this video to check out all my freebies and see if you're interested in learning how to launch digital products online. And I will see you on the other side.